Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so Duttyberry here, Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with this lady who's been turning up the fashion lately, and she'll bring the song them that has been going viral all about the place. Marcy Chin, how are you?
I'm great.
First time at Reggae Sumfest performing?
Yes, in the real life. But the first time really was at the Taste, at the virtual.
Oh, okay, when they have like the upcoming and some there, but now you're upon like the big stage.
The
real proper stage.
Yeah, that was some COVID pandemic something. We call it curfew something. I have to do the virtual thing. You remember?
I never know say I want like a Zoom performance and come give you some.
No, Jesus, no, me no.
No, I don't understand because I don't like that.
So in 2020, there was a thing called the Taste of Sumfest.
Oh, okay.
That. And
okay,
then,
that you're a part of.
And they threw me in that. They're like, yeah, because I wasn't really slated to perform. And Joe said, you earn it, so go on. I'm say, what do you mean? He said, tomorrow. I said, tomorrow, you mean like rehearsal
like actually,
or whatever? I said, no, the
show.
And then the band never learned my music till the sound check.
Okay.
So when me tell you, say the pressure.
What's Anya, Jamaican people stay now.
And guess what? I'm up feet, so me never care.
Are you very much like excited when you hear it's time to perform, or like do you have like the nerves and the anxiety
all of it, and the excitement too. You know, especially right before I have to go on, that's when I get really excited.
No, I've been kind of following you and I realized that you're not like the cookie cutter artist. You're a little bit different. You march to the beat your own drum, and I was saying it to a friend the other day, I feel like Jamaica will take a little while for kind of acquire the Marcy Chin taste, because I feel like you're just so unique. You're like a chameleon. Yeah. And you know, Jamaican people love when them can fling in one little box, and you don't look like all in a no box.
And all if the whole of them hate me, I'm still gonna be me till them say, no sir, alright girl, I get you now, alright, I love you. Yeah, cause I'm not going to bend or fold. I'm not a chair or a sheet or a towel.
You know, say I actually did a little video to your the song that they upload on TikTok. Give me more.
Give me more.
Yeah, the jump in, man. Come and say everybody do it. I say no, I can't left out. How did it feel recognizing that single had gone so viral on TikTok?
It blew me away. I woke up one day and it was like 20,000 videos. I said 20,000. Just so. And I guess it's
Joe loves them something they don't.
What? I'm very excited. I'm proud. Yeah, man. But to see that, it's like what they say. It's like one day you're just nowhere and then one day you're everywhere. So big up for that.
And a lot of persons like still I feel like don't know that you're a part of Make It Bounce.
Me make it bounce on the left. Oh, they don't know.
Yes. Because when me find out, me I say, wait, the song you me keep on have a play while me I go to the gym. It's a whole vibe.
Yes.
It's a whole vibe.
So many people are surprised because even when I watch back videos, I can hear the audience say, she did sing that song there. Even that New Rules. People are saying, she did sing that song there.
Which is why it's so good when you're performing now so people can see more and more of you.
So they see that.
Alright, so before you leave now, I can't make you just, left off the old fashion thing because I realize that you're a girl. When you jump to the stage now, you're going to give her VMAs. You're going to give her Oscars. You're going to give her Billboard Music Awards. You're going to give us all of these things. Like, how important is like putting this entire look together? Like, every time you step out, you try to give a wow moment.
Very important because image is everything. Everything. No joke. And I feel like if you don't take it seriously, people shouldn't take you seriously.
Who are some of like your style inspirations?
Oh my gosh, it's too many to name. Definitely Grace Jones.
Oh yeah. Okay, may I see it now? Grace Jones, okay.
Yeah.
King for the summer. Flow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 #sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Flow some summer. Plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
Even some of J-Lo, it's just a mix of everything, and then just me. Sometimes I just wake up, I'm gonna do something, I don't know where it come from.
Yeah, what do you think of the name Bootleg Rockstar?
The great. I don't know why I'm calling himself bootleg, because of the real deal.
Maybe that's why him start out. Maybe I just say him to start out.
Well, I guess. But for me, that's Nico, the real. You see me? And the fact that he gets it, it just is like perfect. It's like, yeah.
So can bring your vision to life.
Yes, man, him understand what I'm going the real way.
Yeah, man, him have sense, can read and write. What do you think of the name Cheryl Luxury?
Me I talk about a girl with determined, girl with talented when it come to the ear thing.
Yeah.
You see me just come natural because when I started going to her, she still wasn't known as a hairstylist. You see me? People still have her as dancer and thing. And, you know, when I even put her name in the song, it really, people were like, wait a second.
And you brought her out on stage with you earlier.
Yes, and she never want to come, but she did have to come because, girl, I hear time now as a hair queen. Yeah, all the way I rise together. Get used to it. All
right, Marcy, thank you so much for like, you know, spending the time for like, you know, make us have like a conversation here. I'm going to say to you, please do not change. May I tell you, if it might take a little extra while, you have to just stay true to the course and Jamaica people will understand your vibe more, okay? Yes. All right, so take care, all the best.
Solid advice, appreciate it.
Okay.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.